Good morning, everybody. This is Joe White. Sorry about the sunglasses. It's extremely bright. I am under here. I have to keep them on. I can't see. Headed to a property that my wife and I, we're partners, own. And I wanted to talk real quickly about the reason why I'm going is to check on the progress of a half bathroom that we're installing. So I want to talk about the value that half bathroom would add to a property. Now, the National Association of Home Builders estimates that a half bathroom adds 10.5% value onto a home. And this property is worth probably 160, maybe 170, actually probably closer to 160. Probably, well, it doesn't matter. But so that brings us out, what, $16,500 is what this bathroom, according to them, will add. Just for your information, they estimate that a full bathroom will add 20% value onto a home. We have a mason, great guy, very talented, very gifted, who's going to give us a half bathroom for $4,000. He's a mason. These masons, they don't care. They don't care about bricks. They don't care about opening up walls. It's nothing to them. That's what they do. Whereas when you talk to a contractor, it gets to be a big thing. Mason, pull up the saw, they'll do it all day long. So basically, when you subtract $16,500, or I'm sorry, subtract the $4,000 cost of the bathroom from the $16,500 that we'll get in equity, it's a great deal. So it's kind of a no-brainer for us. But our reasons are actually other than just monetary. I mean, it's always monetary. So I guess if you follow my train of thought, it eventually does get the monetary. But we inherited a tenant that is not really ideal for us. She's an elderly woman who's in incredibly poor health. Now, we expected her to move out by now. She's waiting to get into an assisted living development, and it just hasn't happened. And it doesn't look like it's going to happen anytime soon. So that's kind of causing us a problem because the property is actually worth in rent far more than she's actually currently paying. So as is, right now she's paying $550 a month in rent. The property is worth $840 a month in rent as is. When we finished, we expect to get around $1,200 in rent. So we want to get in there, we want to renovate it, we want to make it new, we want to get our equity back out, so on and so forth. We want to do everything we do. Now, we're not in the business of being nice to old ladies. We're not. And I don't suggest you be in the business of making nice to old ladies. There's really not an economical foundation that you can actually run your business being overly nice to elderly ladies. However, we're definitely not in the business of being mean to elderly ladies either. So my wife nor I are looking to boot this poor woman who's lived in this house for 12 years out, nor are we looking to crank her rent up from $550 to the $840 that it should be. So we're trying to figure this out without damaging the tenant. I don't know that I'm fully advocating that you do what I do. We all have to find our own path. This is my wife and my path. But this half bathroom actually helps us out because she actually can't get up the stairs to use the bathroom. So she actually had a toilet installed in the stairwell of the first floor. So there's a toilet, this random toilet, just sitting in the middle of the floor. Horrifying. Certainly detracts value from the property. So this half bathroom is actually going to allow us to get rid of that toilet. It's going to allow us to give them a bathroom that they can use, so we can get into the only bathroom that actually is there, the full bathroom, and give it a full gut job. And the daughter can go, she's an adult daughter, she can go to the gym and shower there, and at least they'll have a bathroom that they can relieve themselves. The full bathroom upstairs is just a full gut. I mean, everything has to go. The toilet has to go, the tub has to go, the vanity has to go, the ceiling has to go, the walls, the floor, the subfloor, everything has to go. So we're going to need a good 2 weeks to get in there and to do this. And, it's a Philadelphia home. It's not the largest. We really can't throw a lot of contractors in this room. It's too small. I mean, really, if you had two contractors working in that room, it's going to get a little tight. We'll probably just use one contractor, and I'll probably just go there and work on it myself. So, again, I just wanted to talk real quickly about the value a bathroom adds to a property and maybe discuss some of the reasons why we do what we do. And I'm going to upload some photos of the before photos, some during photos, and some after photos. And hopefully you guys can actually create a dialogue and we can actually discuss in the comments on this video the different things that different improvements that one would make and the value that it might add. Anyways, you guys enjoy your Saturday.